In this video, I introduce you to a brand new Divi design feature, patterned and masked backgrounds. Why is this so much better than image backgrounds? Load speed. Most visitors give you 2 seconds for your website to load. Yep, that's it. Patterned backgrounds are tiny images that repeat and don't affect load times at all, making your site faster than if you used images. You can now easily add pattern and masks in Divi to sections, columns, rows, and modules. I'm going to add a pattern background to this left column. Click on the section gear icon and open the first column. Click on background, then on this tab, which is background patterns. Next to it is background masks, and I'll show you that in a minute. On the background pattern, click the plus button. It defers to the first one, but click again to see all the available selections. I like this one. It's clean, easy on the eyes while reading the text, but I'm going to lighten it a bit more. I could use color if I wanted to. I like it this lighter gray, so I'll go with that. I also want that pattern background down on this one. Perfect. Let's take a quick look at masks in this section here. Open the section, go to background, click on this last icon, masks. What a mask does is add color to the part that is not masked, meaning background of the background, I guess. Let me show you. Let's choose a mask type like this one. Apply a mask color. I will take the orange I've been using. Oh, right. I haven't set my global colors yet. I should do that. It would make this easier. A plumber's sink always strips, right? I will record that video after this one, I promise. Global colors, watch for it. Okay, so you can see this part remains white when you apply color, which is placed on the area not masked. So it's kind of backwards. If you want the masked area to be a color, you would apply it to the background color before you apply the mask. Let me show you that. I need to remove the image. I'll make the background blue for show and tell purposes and turn off the gradient. Now let's go to the mask and apply it again. So to make the blob a color, for lack of a better word, and the rest of the section white or another color, your section background color would need to be the color you want. Let's say you want the background to be a light shade of blue. Now that you've done this, simply adjust the mask opacity. Let's look at one more. You can also transform the masks. Flip it, make it taller, smaller, stretched, and so on, like this. Play around with it, see what all the styles are that you might like. Okay, that's that. And again, I will create the Global Site Colors video next, so stay tuned. God bless.